In this next section, we're going to go in and see how you can ask a question from either an advertisement or technical proposal, and then see how you can search for questions and responses. The first thing we're actually going to do is go in and see how you can ask a question, and then we'll see how you can go search for responses. So from here, I'm actually going to go to an agreement. I'm going to go to Engineering Agreements in the menu bar and select Agreements. And I have an agreement I'm going to go to. I know the agreement number, 27, so I'm entering that in the Quick Jump field. And I'm going to hit the Enter key on the keyboard, and it's going to take me to my agreement information screen. Here, actually, we're going to go into a technical proposal. You could do the same thing for an advertisement or a technical proposal. Here we're going to go into a technical proposal. Now I'm clicking the draft hyperlink under management information. And here I have a section called questions and responses. I've got the same section heading on my advertisement screen as well. So as a consultant, when I'm viewing an advertisement, I've got this same question and responses section heading. Here I'm going to click the New button. And here I'm going to enter in a subject and a question. You'll notice both of these fields are required. They both have the flags next to them. Here I'm going to enter in my subject is Pub 93. And in the next field down, in the question field, I'm going to actually ask my question. Where can I get a copy of Pub 93? Here I'm going to click the Submit button to submit this question. I'll get a confirmation message, and I'm going to click OK to continue. And this will take me back to the forum posting question screen. From here, I can either use the back button to return back to the previous screen, or I can also use the Go button to go to forum posting report from here. Here again, I can also click the back button to go back to my technical proposal summary. From here, I can view questions that have been posted for this particular agreement for this scope clarification, and I can view any responses. I can also go in and search for any questions and answers. Here I'm going to the Solicitations menu, and I'm going to select Forum from the menu. That will take me to the forum search portal where I can go in and search for a question and answer using advanced search criteria. And I also have some preset searches for advertisements and scope clarification. If I had previously saved any searches, they would be here on the drop-down list under Custom Searches. Here I actually want to go in and set some advanced search criteria, so I'm going to click the Advanced Search hyperlink. Here I'll see the different criteria I can specify, and if I wanted to save that search, if I perform that same search over and over, I can enter in a name in the Save Search As field and save that search. Here I'm going to click the Clear button to clear out any previous search criteria. Here I can specify the category, whether or not it was a question from the scope clarification or from the advertisement. I can specify a particular business partner, the type of question I'm looking for, a subject keyword, date it was posted. I can specify in the next or previous so many days, weeks, or months. Here I'm going in, I want to see questions that have answers. So here I'm going to select questions with responses from the posting type. And then I'm going to click the search button in the toolbar. Here I've got a couple of questions that have been answered. And in order to go in and view those, I'm going to click the date hyperlink. There's also a reference to the agreement, the category, whether it was scope clarification or an advertisement, and the subject. But here I'm going to click on the date hyperlink to go in and view that question and the response. In the detail heading, I'll see the actual subject in question and the date the question was posted. And below that, I'll see any responses.